If you want to select one or more images and turn them into a PDF, I'll walk you through the process. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button below to support the channel. Thanks. Let's start by opening the Photo app on your device. If you need to select several images to convert to a PDF, or maybe just one, tap Select at the top dot. Next, choose the images you want to convert. Once you've selected them, look for the Share button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Now, instead of sharing them directly, scroll down and look for an option that says Print. Don't worry, we're not actually going to print the images. This will allow us to print them into a PDF format. Once you select Print, a preview will appear showing what the PDF will look like. Here, you can adjust settings like page size or color preferences, if needed. Once you're happy with it, tap the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. Now your images are saved as a PDF in your device's file manager. You can open it by navigating to the location where it was saved. If you want to confirm it's in PDF format, simply tap and hold on the file and select Get Info. The file type should show as PDF. From here, you can share the PDF with others via email, messaging apps, or even print it if needed. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.